In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update existing items in Monday.com. Let's start with a quick overview. Updates in Monday.com are the conversation hub for each item. They keep context, decisions, and progress in one place so your team can follow along without hunting through emails or chat threads. If you're collaborating across time zones or handing work off between teammates, consistent updates make everything smoother. First, open the board that contains the item you want to work on. A board is simply the table where your items, columns, and workflows live. Choose the one where the task, project, or request already exists. If you manage multiple boards, pick the most relevant workspace and then the specific board you use for this workflow. Give it a second to load so all columns and items appear. Next, find the item you want to update and click to open its details. Look for the area labeled Write an Update. This is the item's dedicated feed where every message is tied to that exact task. Using the update feed instead of a general chat ensures the information stays connected to the work itself, which is especially helpful when you revisit the item weeks later or onboard someone new. Now type your update. Be clear and specific. A helpful structure is what changed, why it matters, and what's next. For example, note progress made, blockers you've identified, decisions reached, or deadlines that shifted. If the update affects a timeline or owner, mention it in plain language so anyone scanning the feed can understand at a glance. Keep paragraphs short and lead with the most important point first. If you need to highlight people, use mentions to notify the right teammates and consider adding links to relevant documents or files for quick reference. You can format text for clarity, like bolding key dates or outlining bullet-style lists using simple line breaks. Attaching a quick screenshot or brief video can make complex updates much easier to digest. Before you post, skim for accuracy. Make sure you're updating the correct item, that any dates or numbers are current, and that the takeaway is obvious. When you're ready, publish the message so it appears in the item's updates feed and notifies anyone following the item based on their notification settings. That's it. Open the right board, click, write an update on the item, and type your message with clear context and next steps. With consistent, well-structured updates, your team stays aligned, handoffs are smoother, and decisions are easy to track right where the work happens.